how do you use AI in your daily work?
Yeah, good question. I kind of want to do a video about that because I feel like at the moment, a lot of people, I think a lot of people, it's like common sense at the moment that people should be using AI for coding, you know? I think, like in general, if you are not using AI for developing your coding tasks, you are literally losing productivity, meaning that I'm using AI for actually crafting code and I am like 30 to 40% faster, easy, you know? So the way developers use AI though, I think you see developers using AI in one form where they get 20% increase in productivity, but at the same time you see other people with 60% of productivity or more. Now, the way I use AI personally, I have three Cloud Code sessions at the same time, and I'm crafting stuff as soon as possible. So I have, for example,
Yeah,
one session dedicated to fix PHP stand types, another session dedicated to just write tests for a specific feature that I missed, another session working on a new feature I'm working on, you know? So I have multiple sessions with Cloud Code, meaning agents, not GitHub Copilot auto completion. I'm talking about actual agents that are able to change code and run things and go to the web and download stuff. So actually, we're doing stuff. So I have three Cloud Code sessions open, and that's the way I use AI locally for development, at
yeah,
least. And obviously, I'll also use AI for other things in my life. Gym questions. I obviously go to ChatGPT. If I have a question about anything else that I'm not an expert on, I always go to
yeah,
regular prompting. And I think everyone does at the moment. So I kind of want to develop a video, though, to my YouTube channel where I just show, all right, how exactly do I use Cloud Code at my work at the moment? And I kind of show this workflow because I barely write code at the moment. Like, I think like I just open PHP Storm at the moment just for the streams.
yeah,
During my day at actual work, I don't open. I'm working with Cloud Code all the time, just agents and prompting. That's it. That's the only thing I do. And one of the questions that people are a little bit skeptic about this may have is that, well, how do you fix code? And the way it is just ask AI to do it. I have good guidelines, and I just work with AI all the time
yeah.
until I'm happy with the pull request, meaning that I always validate the pull request at the very end um, with make sure I'm happy with the code being sent to GitHub. So that's the way I use AI. Do you use AI that way, Puyapal, or not really? How do you use AI, Puyapal?
I'm using very less AI at the moment. Like I just do a lot of work manually, and I just ask repeated tasks to AI. Right. Also, what I understand is you made your cloud code look like dev in AI. It is like three dev in AI software engineers are there. One is breaking
Exactly.
the one is
Yep.
breaking the CI, and one is making like sure that it is breaking correctly, and one is fixing the CI.
Yeah. So that's the way I'm productive that way with AI. So I feel like,
Yeah,
and I wanted to ask you, like, how do you use AI personally? Do you also have multiple sessions? Do you have just GitHub Copilot? How exactly do you use
I'm
AI,
just
Puyapal?
using Copilot. Yeah, that's it.
But this
Nothing
Copilot
else.
can go to different files and also perform
Yeah,
modifications. It does act like an agent?
yeah. So
Interesting.
basically,
Okay.
I'm using Claude 4.5.
With GitHub Copilot.
Yes.
That's the confusion. Right now, like there is UI interfaces and you can choose the model. So they just,
Yeah.
but yeah, got it. So use it like me, basically.
Okay.
Gotcha.